Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the reverse light on your 2012 Camry Hybrid, LE, XLE, any of those body style Camrys. So pretty simple. You'll find that the reverse light is actually mounted in the trunk lid, and to access the lens is very simple. All we need to do is basically remove one of these plastic clips by simply getting underneath of the center of the clip. It should pop outwards, and then that's going to allow you to remove the plastic clip. By doing so, you can then pry this fabric cover down, which gives you access to the socket. And then all you can do is just unplug this thing. And we do so by pressing down on the release tab. The release tab is located in the center. You squish it down, pull that connector outwards. Then all we got to do is turn this socket counterclockwise and remove it from the lens assembly. Now that that's out, you just simply pull the bulb. It slides right out. We're going to install these Auxito LED light bulbs. They're very nice, direct plug and play. Now we do need to make sure that we install these in the right orientation. There is a positive and negative, and it's possible to install them backwards. So what we're going to do is just plug this in. We're going to connect it back up, and then we're going to put the car in reverse and see if we have that in the right direction or not. The light should light up if we do. All right, so you can see that the light bulb is lighting up. Now we're ready to take it out of reverse and we'll put it back into the lens. Okay, simply just grab the connector and the light bulb, put it back into the hole. There is tabs located on the side of the connector that we need to line up with the lens. Now I don't think that the wiring in the connector will stretch far enough, so we're gonna have to unplug it. And we just simply line this up, make sure it's sitting in there flush, turn it clockwise, it should lock into place. Then we can plug this back in, and I'll lower the trunk and show you what it looks like compared to the regular crappy bulb. All right, you can just see like how much of a difference that is and how modern it is compared to a regular halogen bulb. If you want people to know that you're backing up, you want to get some of these bulbs, check the link in the description if you want some. They got bulbs for everything on your car. Doesn't matter if it's Camry, a Jeep, Ford, doesn't matter. They sell bulbs for everything. Check them out. Also, if you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I could probably help you out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.